Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I'll be doing a Althea haul. Yeah, I'm just going to share with you guys the stuff that I got from Althea. And by the way guys, for those who don't know Althea is this large online shop which sells authentic Korean beauty products from skincare to hair care and cosmetics. And I've been buying Althea stuff since last year, and I think I accumulated 5 boxes already from them. And I especially love how they pack the products which they ship, because they really secure it with a lot of bubble wraps and a lot of papers inside, just to secure that the products will be safe during the shipping. And I also love their products. Yeah, I just super love all of their products. I mean, most of the products that I've tried from their store are really good. And I have 2 boxes here. This is 1 and this is 2 here. So let's start first with this one. This is from Althea guys, but they place it here because I don't think that their box is enough to fit what's inside here, because their box is like that. So yeah, I was really wondering why they place it here, but yeah, I guess their box is not enough to fit the stuff that I bought. Yeah. So the first stuff that I have here is these guys, and I ordered the Nail It box from Althea, and it's composed of nail art thingies, from the stickers to the removers to the nail polishes. So here I have, in this plastic here, is this with Shan. Yeah, did I pronounce that right? And these are the nail art foams. Yeah, these guys to create ombre effect colors on the nails. And next would be a nail file, a cute nail file. This one. And I have 3 nail stickers here, different kinds of nail stickers, nail art stickers. There. And next is this rubber thingy where you push away all the cuticles on the nails. Yeah, so this is it. And I also have one genie sticker here where you can also do nail art stuff with it, and also a toe separator. Yeah, toe separator. And this is purple guys. It looks a bit bluish on cam, but yeah, it's purple. So that's it with all. That's everything from the plastic. I'm going to move with what I have here inside the box. So I have this nail polish remover from, again, with Shan brand. It's color pink, and it smells like berries, guys. It smells good. Yeah, and it's 100 ml. Last but not least, I have a small box here inside, and inside is the nail polishes there. And this includes 9 colored nail polish. There's 3, and this another 3. Another 3 of them, and that's 9 nail polishes, and I also have, it also has this with Shan filler base coat, this thing, base coat, and also comes with this peel off thingy, which I am dying to try. And of course, last but not least is the UV gel top coat, this one. And this promises that you'll have that gel like nail polishes, so you don't need a UV lamp for it. You just have to put your nails, or you place your nails somewhere where the heat of the sun is, and it will dry completely. So that I am going to try. So that's it. That's everything from the box, the nail polishes. That's from the Nail It box from Althea. And by the way, I spent like 1,050 pesos for the whole set. And now let's proceed with this box here, the bigger one. And I just bought essentials. And I also bought another one from Nature Republic, this aloe vera soothing and moisture aloe vera 92% soothing gel, which I am running off, so I bought another one. Actually, I bought 2 of them. The other one is for my office mate because she loved it, so she also bought one, so I ordered one for her. Yeah. And the next and the last thing that I got from Althea is this 2 here. This is the CP1 Premium Silk Ampule. This is for damaged hair, and this is good for like dry and damaged hair. So I like, my hair is a bit dry right now, so I decided to buy 2 of them, and this is 70 pesos each. Yeah. And I can't wait to try this one. I don't know, maybe I'll do a review on this one just to see how this thing works, and for 72 pesos, does it really work? So yeah, it promises that it repairs your damaged hair and making it look more glossy and frizz-free. So yeah, can't wait to try this one. So that's it for my Althea haul, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you find interesting stuff on the things that I bought from Althea. So ayan, thank you so much for clicking onto this video and for watching this video. If you like the video that I did, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and you are much welcome to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification beside it to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So yeah, so again, thank you guys, and see you on my